In this video, I'll be showing you how you can update your software on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Simple and easy. So to do that, we will move to our settings. And if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So we scroll to the bottom here. Just go to the bottom and you move to About Phone. You can see software updates at the bottom here. So just tap on that. Good. And now we can tap on download and install. And we search for updates if there is any sort of update here. So you can see there is an update here. So I'll have to pause it and later resume. I'm going to download it during midnight. And also you can do your software update settings too as well. So you can see auto download. Tap on auto download here. You can set it to Wi-Fi only. So when you're on a Wi-Fi and there is any sort of software update, automatically it downloads itself. And you can set it to using mobile or Wi-Fi too as well. Mobile data, that's your internet. You turn it on. Yeah, it will auto update itself too as well. So now let me set it to never. So I don't update it whilst I don't know, something like that, or whilst I'm not aware. So that's it on how you update your software on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.